Hey everyone, welcome to another TFR Sports video. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the 1UP EDC hand pump and multi-tool for mountain biking. Now I really like this setup. I first got it last year and I've been running it ever since. I like how it mounts to where the bottle cage mounts to the frame. That way you can save some space and put two things in one spot. Now it doesn't really get in your way for pedaling, but I have bounced it off some rocks and roots when riding, and it's never malfunctioned on me yet. I really like the green coloring they have on the pump and the multi-tool, and I really like how the multi-tool slips right into the handle of the pump. Now once you pull it out, you've got a multi-tool and a chain tool. On your multi-tool, you've got pretty much every wrench you might need while you're out on the trail, and it's really simple to use. Now on the rest of the mount, you've got a tire plug and bacon strips, and plenty of room to spare for a little bit of other things, maybe some band-aids. Once you're done, you slide the multi-tool right back in the handle of the pump and slap it back on the frame. Now we always like to throw it up to our sponsors on this channel, so big shout out to Airtime Clothing and E13 for helping us out with the bike components. As always, stay tuned for next week's video. Until then,